Welcome back to Daily English Talk, the channel where you learn real English every single day.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom and this is Lily.
We are so happy you found us. If you want to work, travel, or live abroad, this conversation will help you.
If you want the transcripts, vocabulary, and slow audio versions, check the Join button below.
Today's lesson is perfect for beginners. We have 10 easy English sentences, 10 sentences that you must know.
These are not just any sentences. You will use these sentences every day, at work, at school, at the coffee shop, everywhere.
Tom actually used one of these sentences in a very funny situation last week. We will tell you that story later.
Oh no, please don't.
Oh yes, I will.
Okay, fine.
But first, we want to say something important. This channel uploads a new video every single day. Every single day.
So if you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now. Do it. We will wait.
We're waiting.
Are they doing it?
I think so.
Great. Welcome to the family. Now let's start today's lesson.
Okay, before we start, I have a question for you.
Ooh, I love this part.
Here's your question. Tom used one of today's 10 sentences to talk to a dog. Not a person, a dog. Which sentence did he use? Was it number 2, number 6, or number 9?
I cannot believe you are doing this.
Stay with us until the end to find out the answer, and leave your guess in the comments. Okay, Tom, let's warm up. Let's just talk a little.
Sure. So, Lily, how are you today?
I am great, thank you. I had a big cup of coffee this morning, and now I feel amazing.
Just 1 cup?
Okay, maybe 2 cups. How about you?
I am a little tired. I woke up early today.
Oh no, why?
My neighbor's cat was sitting outside my window and meowing very loudly at 5 in the morning.
At 5? That is so early.
Yes, and I could not go back to sleep, so I just made breakfast and watched some videos.
Well, at least you had a nice breakfast.
Exactly. It was eggs and toast. Very simple, but very good.
See, simple is good. Just like today's lesson. Simple sentences. Very useful. Let's do it. Before we look at our 10 sentences, let's talk a little about sentence structure. Don't worry, this is very simple.
In English, most sentences follow this pattern: subject, then verb, then the rest of the sentence.
For example, I am happy. I is the subject, am is the verb, happy is the rest.
Or, she has a dog. She is the subject, has is the verb, a dog is the rest.
Can you think of a sentence like that? Try it in your head right now.
Good! Now you are already thinking in English. That is amazing. Let's keep going.
All right, here we go. 10 sentences. We will teach each one, give you an example story, and practice together.
Ready? Let's go!
Sentence number 1. Nice to meet you. N-I-C-E. Nice to meet you.
Say it with me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You use this sentence when you meet someone for the first time.
I remember the first time I used this sentence. I was 12 years old. We had a new student in class. Her name was Sarah. I walked up to her and I said, very loudly, "Nice to meet you, Sarah."
That is so cute.
She looked very surprised, but then she smiled and said, "Nice to meet you too, Tom." And we became friends.
Aw, that is a sweet story. Now your turn. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Great job.
Sentence number 2. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
This is so useful. You can use this everywhere. At the supermarket, at school, at work.
Can you help me, please? Say it slowly. Can you help me, please?
I have a story about this one. Last month, I was at the airport. I had 2 big suitcases, very heavy. I was trying to carry them up the stairs.
Oh no.
And I was struggling. So I looked at the man next to me and I said, "Can you help me, please?"
And did he help?
He did. He was very kind. He carried one of my suitcases all the way upstairs.
See, this sentence works.
So repeat after me. Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Perfect.
Sentence number 3. I don't understand. I don't understand.
This is very important for English learners. When someone speaks too fast or uses a difficult word, you can say, I don't understand.
Don't feel embarrassed to say this. It is a very brave sentence.
I used this sentence in an English class when I was a student. The teacher explained a grammar rule very quickly. I raised my hand and said, I don't understand.
What happened?
She explained it again, more slowly, and then I understood.
See? Asking for help is smart. Repeat after me. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Excellent.
Sentence number 4. How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
You need this sentence every time you go shopping.
How much does this cost? Say it with me. How much does this cost?
I have a funny shopping story. I was in a small market in another city. I saw a beautiful jacket. I picked it up and I wanted to know the price, but I forgot to ask, how much does this cost? And I just held up the jacket and smiled at the person.
What?
I just smiled and pointed.
Did they understand?
They showed me the price on a little paper, but it was not a nice moment for me.
So please use the sentence. How much does this cost?
How much does this cost? Your turn.
How much does this cost? Great.
Sentence number 5. I would like a coffee, please. I would like a coffee, please.
You can use I would like to order food, drinks, or to ask for something politely.
I would like a coffee. I would like some water. I would like a table for 2.
Tom, do you drink a lot of coffee?
Oh yes, every morning. I walk into the coffee shop and I say very confidently, I would like a large coffee, please.
Every single day?
Every single day. The people at the coffee shop know my order now. They see me walk in and they already start making it.
You are a regular customer.
I am a coffee champion.
Okay, coffee champion. Everyone repeat, I would like a coffee, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
Beautiful. Sentence number 6. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
This sentence can save your life.
Tom, that is very dramatic.
Is it though?
Where is the bathroom? You use this in restaurants, hotels, shopping centers, anywhere.
Lily, do you have a story for this one?
Yes, I was at a big shopping mall. I really needed to find the bathroom. I asked a worker, "Where is the bathroom, please?" She pointed to the left. I went left. Then I saw another worker and I asked again. He pointed to the right.
To the right?
So I went right. And then I found it, finally.
That sounds like a maze.
It was, but the sentence worked. I asked and I found it.
Repeat after me. Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
Perfect. Sentence number 7. I am sorry, I am late. I am sorry, I am late.
This is very important in work and school situations.
I am sorry, I am late. Repeat. I am sorry, I am late.
Tom, are you ever late?
Sometimes. Okay, more than sometimes.
Tell us.
Last Tuesday, I had a meeting at 9 o'clock in the morning. My alarm did not go off. I woke up at 8:55.
5 minutes before the meeting?
I jumped out of bed, I ran to my desk, I opened my computer, and I joined the meeting, with my hair completely crazy.
Was your camera on?
Yes, my camera was on.
And what did you say?
I said, I am sorry, I am late, and everyone laughed.
But you used the correct sentence.
I did. I used it perfectly.
Everyone repeat. I am sorry I am late.
I am sorry, I am late.
Great job. Sentence number 8. Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you speak more slowly, please?
This is a perfect sentence for English learners. When a native speaker talks too fast, just say this.
Can you speak more slowly, please? Slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y.
I was watching a video in English one time. The person in the video was speaking very, very fast. I actually paused the video and said out loud, "Can you speak more slowly, please?"
You said it to your screen?
I did, and of course the video did not slow down.
Oh, Tom.
But at least I practiced the sentence.
That is one way to practice. Everyone, repeat. Can you speak more slowly, please?
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Wonderful.
Sentence number 9. It is nice to see you again. It is nice to see you again.
You use this when you see a friend, a family member, or a colleague after a long time.
It is nice to see you again. Say it slowly. It is nice to see you again.
Wow. Tom used this sentence recently with someone very unexpected.
Oh no, here it comes.
Tell them who you said it to.
Okay, fine. So, my neighbor has a golden dog named Biscuit. I see Biscuit sometimes in the garden. Last week, I had not seen Biscuit for maybe 2 weeks, and then one morning, Biscuit came running to the fence.
And what did you say?
I said, "Oh, Biscuit, it is nice to see you again."
You said sentence number 9 to a dog named Biscuit.
And Biscuit looked very happy. He wagged his tail.
So the answer to our question is sentence number 9. Tom said, "It is nice to see you again," to a dog named Biscuit.
And I will not apologize for it.
Everyone repeat. It is nice to see you again.
It is nice to see you again.
Excellent. And sentence number 10. Have a great day. Have a great day.
This is a wonderful, warm, friendly goodbye sentence.
Have a great day. You can say it to friends, to your teacher, to the cashier at the supermarket.
I say this every morning to the person at my coffee shop. After I get my coffee, I always say, "Thank you, have a great day."
Aw, that is so sweet.
And they always smile. Every time.
Kindness is free, everyone. Repeat after me. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Perfect. You did all 10.
Okay, let's review our 10 sentences. Repeat each one after me.
Number 1.
Nice to meet you.
Number 2.
Can you help me, please?
Number 3.
I don't understand.
Number 4.
How much does this cost?
Number 5.
I would like a coffee, please.
Number 6.
Where is the bathroom?
Number 7.
I am sorry, I am late.
Number 8.
Can you speak more slowly, please?
Number 9.
It is nice to see you again.
And number 10.
Have a great day.
You know 10 sentences now. You are doing amazing. Practice these today. Say them at home, say them at work, say them to your dog if you want.
I can confirm dogs respond well.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We upload a brand new English lesson every single day, so make sure you are subscribed so you never miss one.
Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next video.
Keep practicing, keep going, and have a great day.
Have a great day, everyone.
Bye-bye.